Good morning to you. This is Morning Line on KRLN. Time now is it's 8:29 and it's 68 degrees here at the KRLN studios. And welcome this morning to Morning Line. All right, and in the studio with me, of course, it's been like a party here all morning. But Sammy Berman is here from the Artist Gallery. Also, featured artist Sam Carlson is here. Good morning.
Good morning.
And Hannah Bessie is here, and Hannah is. Let's talk to Hannah a little bit. Hannah is 13 years old, and she's been discovered. And what is your art? What is your artwork?
Photography. I like kind of looking at an image and finding personal inspiration in it, and kind of.
And how long have you been doing photography now?
About a year ago, I went to Europe, and I kind of just took pictures of popular attractions, and whenever I got home, I kind of discovered that some of them were pretty good, and I started kind of playing with a camera, and I took a photography class, so that.
All right, and is it digital photography?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. How many pieces are you going to have at the Artist Gallery?
Well, we printed off a lot, and we're just going to see how many we can fit in that space.
Okay. And now is this towards the back of the art gallery, Sammy?
No, Carrie, we're going to have Hannah right in the front.
Right in the
gallery.
front, okay,
Yes,
with the, okay.
She won't be on the same wall as the other featured artists, but right across the wall from us. She has a nice big space there.
Oh, nice.
Because we do have another visiting artist as well this month. So Hannah is just her own little debut spot.
Now tell us how you discovered Hannah.
Well, I am good friends with both her mother and her grandmother, and her grandmother attends almost every single First Friday, so she's been a strong supporter of the gallery. And at last month, when her mom and Hannah were both at First Friday, they showed me some of the pictures that Hannah had taken, and I was enthralled. I thought, this is some real talent here. So that at that point, I invited her to be a debut artist for us.
Nice. Now, have you sold any work, Hannah?
No.
No? Okay. Well, you might. You know that.
Yeah.
Okay. And what grade are you in?
I'm going into 8th grade.
Okay. Are you going to the schools here?
No, I live up in Colorado Springs. I go
Do
to
you?
Holmes Middle School. Yeah.
Okay. All right. And do your friends and all that know about your artwork?
Yeah, some of them do. Some of my friends that came over, they kind of saw some of this stuff, so.
Very good. And do you like plan to go out with your friends and take pictures? Do you plan on those things? Or is it spontaneous?
I use my phone for some of my stuff, so if I just see a picture, I'm usually out and about, and I find a picture that I like, I don't usually just go out and look for pictures, kind of.
Okay.
Just whenever I see something, kind of.
I do that too. Yeah, that's fun, isn't it? You never know what you're going to find, do you?
Nope.
Okay. Now, do you use any computer programs to enhance or anything on your photographs?
For my digital camera, I use that for my photography class, and she taught us to play with it a little bit. So she taught us to flip the image to see if it looks better. But most of all, for my digital camera, they're mostly original images.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
All right. And you have other featured artists. Sam Carlson is here to visit with us this morning as well. We're going to take a quick break, and we'll continue our conversation with Sammy Berman, Sam Carlson, and Hannah Bessie. And you're listening to Morning Line right here on KRLN. And good morning once again. Time now is 8:53. It's 71 degrees here at the studio. You're listening to Morning Line on KRLN, and we're speaking with the featured artist and the owner as well of the Artist Gallery. Sam Carlson is here. He's a photographer. Hannah Bessie is here. She's our discovery this month. And she's a 13-year-old photographer from Colorado Springs. And you're going to be, this is a new thing that you're trying, right?
Yes,
it's discovered artist?
It is, and it's starting here with Hannah, because when I saw her work, it was like she needs the opportunity to show her work in a gallery setting, and also the public needs to be able to be exposed to fine art of beginning artists that have never been able to show before.
Okay, I think that's awesome. And you're going to do this every month now?
I'm going to try.
Okay.
I'm going to try, yes.
There's lots of artists out there.
Right, that's true. That's true.
All right. Hannah, you're going to be there for First Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And so you're going to be able to talk to folks about your photographs that are hanging there. Have you picked out the final ones that will hang there yet?
I've picked out a good amount, and I'm just going to see what looks good, and I'm going to try to do a range of sizes and natural and man-made, because I take photos of a lot of different things, so I'm going to do a bunch of...
How many photographs are you going to feature? Well, feature.
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
We're going to go hang them up today, and we're going to see.
Okay. Do you have bin work, too, that people can choose from?
No.
No, not yet? Okay. We'll see how this goes, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you going to show... this is your first show ever? Mm-hmm. So we should feel really excited.
Yeah.
And honored, too, that this is your first place you're going to show. Mm-hmm. You can always go to look back on it and say, my first show was in Canyon City.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. We want to do a shout out to your mom and your grandma.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd just like to thank my mom and my grandma because, well, my grandma helped me get discovered in my mom.
Okay, very good. And your mom is Amy and your grandma Susan? Mm-hmm. Okay, and are they going to be there Friday with you?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I want to thank you all for coming in today. And don't forget to shop locally. Make sure you visit the Artist Gallery in downtown Canyon City. We'll get over this fire, all of us together.
416 Main.
416 Main Street, downtown. All right. Thank you so much. And you've been listening to Morning Line on KRLN.